One of the things I really despise about traveling is going to a hotel. They have a refrigerator, but they don't have a microwave. So I have posted about how I have been able to solve this problem, and it's with this portable heating stove slash oven that can heat up my food, whether I want to cook some eggs and heat it straight on this little pan, or I want to take a microwave safe kind of container or cardboard container. This does the job. It heats my food up quick. I don't have to worry about whether or not my hotel room has a microwave or not. This is perfect for people that are always on the go and you just want to eat your leftovers in peace, not having to go downstairs to heat your food up. You've got two power adapters, one for your car, one for a regular outlet. They're on sale right now for $30. I'll drop the link below. Max temperature on this is 275 freaking degrees. That's a lot.